For ankle mobility, you need 1 medium slastics and 1 foam roller. The first thing we're going to do is get into the soft tissue. So Allie's going to do foam rolling for her calf. She's going to start this right above her ankle joint. She's going to find any areas that are tender, and once she finds an area of tenderness, she's going to put pressure on that with her other leg and hold that for 30 seconds. If this is too much pressure, meaning that you're holding your breath or it just feels really, really uncomfortable, she could always take this leg and take it off to have less pressure on there. She's elevating herself up with her arms to put more compression on that foam roller. Once she has done that for 30 seconds, now she's going to try to cross this over if she can tolerate it, and she's going to roll about 2 inches above and 2 inches below that target tissue or that tender spot. And we're going to do that for about 60 seconds. Notice how she's going nice and slow. We want to do this very slow, very controlled. She's breathing well. She's keeping her torso upright. If she starts to get tired through the shoulder, she can just rest, take a couple seconds, and then come on back up. Again, if this is too much pressure and it's causing you too much discomfort, then she could just take that left leg and drop it off so there's less pressure. Once she has done that back and forth for about 60 seconds, we're going to find if there's any other target tissue to look after. She's going to bring that foam roller up, see if there's any tenderness in any of those other areas. Right there. Okay, so right there, then she's going to go 30 seconds on that target tissue, and she's going to hold that. Again, breathing through the belly, it's keeping her torso nice and tall, being aware of all the other body positions. If she gets tired through here, she'll take a rest. After about 30 seconds, she's going to roll now 2 inches below and 2 inches above that tender area. Notice how she's keeping her foot nice and relaxed. We don't want to have too much tension through the muscle because then the foam roller won't be able to penetrate deeper into the tissue. Notice how she's breathing through her belly. Notice how she's staying nice and tall. This is supposed to try to relax the tissue, so we don't want to be all tense and tightened up. Okay, and once she finishes that for 60 seconds, then what we're going to do is mobility for the ankle joint. And so we're going to take this away. I want you to grab your slastics. And what she's going to do is wrap this around the ankle. I'm going to bring this back and attach it to our post here. You could attach this using a door anchor to the door. You could have a friend hold this like I could for her here. And what she's going to do is keep her heel flat on the ground. This band is going to be pulling back on her lower leg bones, and so it's going to create space. And now she's going to drive that knee over that big toe. Good. And come on back. And now she's going to try to bring it more inside or medially. Good. And again, she's really focusing on keeping that heel flat. The tendency is that heel to come up. And now she's going to try to drive that knee towards the outside. Now that she has the idea, I'm going to attach these to the rig. And there should be enough resistance where you feel that pulling back but not resisting or not reducing your range of motion. So you're going to keep that flat and drive over that. And you should get about 15 repetitions through that mobility. Notice how she has that other hand on the ground. We like to have 3 points of contact when we're doing joint mobility because now she's not out of balance. Good. So still nice and controlled, nice and slow, improving that range of motion through that ankle joint. If you need to do this on both sides, you could just repeat this recording and do it again on the other side. And we have about 2 more. Last one. Good. And there's your mobility for your ankle joint.